This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone already has a registered fingerprint. Otherwise, add one in device settings. Once done, make sure WhatsApp is up to date, then open the app. Navigate to Settings, tap Account, then Privacy. This gets you directly to security controls. You're not installing anything new, you're enabling a built-in feature. So proceed now to the next screen because the toggle you need is one step away and requires only a quick tap. You'll see Screen Lock or Fingerprint Lock in Privacy. Tap it and the option appears. When prompted, authenticate with the fingerprint already stored on your phone. Once authenticated, toggle the feature on. This links WhatsApp to your device biometrics. Then choose a lock timing immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes, depending on convenience versus security. Make that choice consciously because a shorter delay increases privacy, while a longer delay reduces repeated unlocking. You finish by testing the feature. Exit WhatsApp or press Home, then reopen and verify the fingerprint prompt appears. If it doesn't, re-register your fingerprint in device settings because misreads usually come from poor enrollment. Once re-registered, retry enabling lock. If problems persist, restart the phone, check for system updates, or clear WhatsApp cache that often resolves glitches. Remember, you can always disable the lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.